Joe Bagdanovich expecting a rocking Reggae Sumfest after COVID cancelled the music festival. No surprises there. But surprises what showman Joe not just hints he has up his sleeve for the big comeback.
Yo, Sumfest! Yo! Never make up and I make one! Over here, the gusto! Yeah, you hear me? I see the change and I never...
Exciting Reggae Sumfest in the cards. The return of the annual two-day music festival to Catherine Hall, a big deal after the lean years of the pandemic. 2019 delivering a capacity crowd fired up to see Butcher Banton. Showgoers starved of live music events in the following 2 years of COVID expected to make the most of a lineup tailored for a peak production return. A much-hyped tribute to dancehall producer Dave Kelly, a nod to followers of the glory years of 90s dancehall. Whilst current frontrunner Skeng boasting back-to-back hits and showing few signs of running out of steam, sure to trap the attention of younger fans, alongside new school cohorts Jashi and Ritical. Names such as Coffee with Fresh Material, on top of solid songs that are already fixtures on contemporary playlists. In the meantime, Big Joe Bagdanovich hinting at non-billed appearances sure to quicken pulses, shamelessly dropping names. Hey, it's showbiz, stopping just short of confirming they'll be present.
Of course, there's all my special guests. So when you look at somebody, let's what do you think of, let's say, Aishana's new record? Have you heard about it with, Ed Sheeran and all that? I'm only looking at possibilities. There's rumors out there, Anthony, I don't BS anybody, I just let you know the best way I can let you know things. Who's been in town lately? Who's a big producer that's been in town lately?
Khaled.
Well, he's been talking to a lot of artists. I understand that Bounty has a nice new chain on his neck, which is something about we are the best. Boy, oh boy, man, the diamonds are sparkling. And you know what's great about Bounty? It fits him. I've heard a lot of rumors like you have, and they're not silly, but they could be skilly.
Is that?
Or maybe they're Cardi B, right? Cardi B would be exciting, but I don't know if she's gonna make it or not. And of course there's Nikki. I'm not counting any of these people out. I can't confirm anything, but I'm just telling you that this show is gonna be off the chain.
So Sumfest taking shape, but inflation already here. Ticket prices going up like everything else. Almost 10 grand for general admission. VIP heaviest hitters set to fork out around US 2 grand for the ultimate Sumfest experience. That said, hard not to bet on a good turnout. But nervous moments at the same time for show promoters.
That's a real question, but I think with a lot of people, and as you see in the parties that have been going on lately, they've all sell out. They're full, and I think that it just doesn't stop. I don't know where they find the money, but I can tell you one thing. The big tickets and even the little tickets are selling, and you can't keep the scammers out of it because, they're filthy rich.
And they like Reggae Sumfest.
And they like dancehall music, and they like reggae music, and they like to have fun, like everybody. It is what it is. I know the show is going to be absolutely priceless. People are going to come. It's going to be big. The ticket value is very, very high. The price is not as low as it has been in the past, like every show you go to, every party you go to. Inflation is here, and save up your money and have the best ball of your life, man, because Reggae Sumfest is the place to be.
It kind of all comes down to the lineup, or a lot of it comes down to the lineup. So I'll mention a few names, and you give me your idea of what's going to go down with these people. Spice.
Well, Spice, we're going to crown Spice as the dancehall queen. Good luck for the next one.
Jada Kingdom.
Jada Kingdom is fantastic, very talented, and a bit unpredictable.
Skeng.
Skeng is the man of the moment. You know, he's on fire. He just signed something with John Baker, a licensing deal, publishing deal. He has a lot of big opportunities for him. Joshie has a big opportunity. He's preparing, as all those artists in that generation are doing, big time. And they're going to find out what it's like to be, you know, in the real world of Reggae Sumfest. You just can't predict what's going to happen. Coffee has been in Europe and she's been in America and she is doing big sets. She wants to play for an hour and a half, you know, but I said, no, you can't do that at Sumfest.
Oh yes, and Dave Kelly.
I know that he'll be on that stage, whether you see him or not, I don't know. He produced the 70-minute set.
Oh, and in case you thought Big Joe wasn't a betting man,
Who's going to take it from a dance hall point of view, Friday night or Saturday night? And I tell you, I've been talking to the guys at Supreme Ventures and everything, trying to get a spread on it. And they think it's 50-50.
but who would you bet on?
Marcy Chin. The test. I'm very excited about her possibilities, and Diani too.
All sorts of possibilities opening for you right now. How are you sort of navigating more attention?
I'm just taking it step by step with the team as well, focusing on the promotion and trying to get the brand itself outside of Jamaica as well, of the region.
And your big show coming up is going to be Reggae Sumfest. What's the difference this time as opposed to last time?
Most definitely the hits. I have hits now in comparison to 2019, Senorita Feelings, and the list goes on. So we give thanks for the reception and we're ready for performance, ecstatic and excited.
You can zero in on Feelings. That song really kind of gave you a little buzz. People liked it.
Little massive buzz. More than 12 million people view that song. So with that being said, they can know the magnitude of that song. So we're looking forward to perform that song with the Queen herself, you know, East Side Queen, Jada.
Because that's what people are focused on. Is Diani going to be on that stage, and is Jada Kingdom going to be there too?
Stay tuned.
What made the difference? Obviously finding that song would have helped.
If I didn't have a team before, now I have a team which is very supportive and very focused on the direction that I intend to go on and that I'm on at the moment. So that is a key factor.
And remind people what that direction is for Diani.
So household name, international stage, international platforms, it's a bigger brand and you know, that's the intention.
Delivering what kind of tracks?
Love, happiness, life, and very motivational songs.
The big nights of Reggae Sumfest, July 22 and 23.